Welcome. In this video, I show you some hints for working with the task in the table. So you can easily, like Excel, you can click on one row and then press Ctrl C here, or you can copy, for example, if you go to the task, you can copy this row and paste it somewhere else. So let's say if I press Ctrl C and then I click here, I press Ctrl V, you see that the same task that we are seeing here with all the other features with the same duration, with the start and finish and slack is pasted here, and it also contains all the information regarding the predecessor, the lag, the type of task dependency. It is possible to copy and paste the different tasks in the project if, for example, it is repeated. It happens that several of your work packages and the WBS that you're working, they are repeated, but they are done at the different dates. That's also possible to do it here. I'm gonna just press Ctrl Z in order to remove that one. That's for copy and pasting. You can also drag one activity and move it in your project. So I just click here, as you see, I click on this row, and then my mouse change, if I move it here, I can put this one in the other let's say level, and then you see that it is shifted but the relations remain the same, and you see the you can observe how this change is applied here. I'm gonna just move this up again and just put it back where it was, and one more level, there you go. Then it should be right now in the same level that I was working. So that you just make sure that you don't click anywhere, you just drag and drop and put it here. There's also for drag and dropping one task to another location in your table. The other one, you can also delete one row completely. If I press delete, then this is deleted, and as you see that since it had a relation, it is kind of removed from your schedule, and then the other task doesn't follow the predecessor because that was the predecessor to this task. You can delete this one, and you see how the change is applied. But make sure whenever you make change or you delete a task that your schedule is not damaged, is not screwed, and then you are able to follow the logic of your project. One hint, you can if you want to delete a summary task, like here, it gives you a warning. If you continue deleting, it will delete the subtask here, which means are the other 5 activities, the other 5 tasks. Or you can say no, cancel, don't delete it. The way it works, if you want to delete one summary task and you don't need it anymore, but you need the following task, you have to remove this one as the summary task, and you just simply click the other activities. If you recall, I come to the task tab, and then you can just press here. Here we have the indent option, and we have here outdent task. If I outdent this task, this interior finish is not anymore the summary task, it is removed, and this comes in a higher level. You can delete this task, interior finish, delete, and then put this back into the level it used to be. So that's a way you can continue changing and deleting different tasks in your table.